Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blooming gel. First, ensure your nails have a cured base color. Then, apply a very thin, even coat of blooming gel over the entire nail surface. Remember, do not cure this blooming gel layer yet. This special layer is what allows your design colors to spread and create those beautiful, organic patterns. It's the foundation for your stunning nail art. Now for the fun part, creating your design. While the blooming gel is still wet, use a dotting tool or a thin nail art brush to place small drops or lines of your chosen gel polish colors. You'll immediately see the magic happen as the colors gently spread and blend, creating a beautiful, organic effect. Work quickly, as the blooming process begins right away. Try different patterns for unique results. Once your design has bloomed to your liking, it's time to cure it. Place your hand under a UV or LED nail lamp. For an LED lamp, cure for about 60 seconds. If you're using a UV lamp, cure for approximately 2 minutes. After curing, apply a high-quality gel top coat over your entire nail. This step seals in your beautiful design and adds a glossy, durable finish. Here are a few pro tips for mastering blooming gel. Always apply a very thin layer of blooming gel. A thick layer can prevent the colors from spreading properly. Work on one nail at a time to give yourself enough time to create your design before the gel starts to set. Also, clean your design brush thoroughly between colors to keep your art crisp and vibrant. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.